Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next content of the issue of shares. Today I will tell you about the shares process, how to issue and the minimum subscription concept and the journal entries regarding the allotment of shares. First is you may see here the process is listed with the four heads. Number one is to issue the prospectus, to receive the application, to make the allotment of shares, and to make calls. When it is a part of the process, we should not disorder the steps. The first is, first of all, the company has to issue the prospectus. The prospectus is a invitations to the public which contain all the details and all the informations of the company for information point of view. Numbers 2. Receive the application. On the basis of the prospectus, the general public issue the general public subscribe for the shares and attach the money along with the applications and deposit to a particular bank called as scheduled bank means the bank which is listed by the company in the prospectus called as scheduled bank in the specified in the prospectus. The company has to get the minimum subscription, the minimum amount at the time of application. It should not be less than the 25% of the issued price. Numbers 2, uh, to make the allotment of shares. After receiving the minimum subscriptions, then company makes the allotment of shares. For the allotment of shares, company issue the two letters. Number one is the letters of allotment to whom the shares are allotted. The second is the letters of regrets to inform to the person to whom the allotment has not been given. So when the allotment is made, it is a valid agreement between the company and the applicants. That means they are called as the shareholder, the company. It means after the allotments to whom the shares are given, only the person called as shareholders. Then out to makes the calls. Calls will be made only from the person those the allotment of the shares has been given. So the company cannot demand the whole amount up to the allotment and along with the application, but sometime company the part amount is calling. The rest of the amount can be called in the uh, calls. It can be one, two, or final as per the comfort of the company can increase the number of calls. Now, what is the meaning of the minimum subscription? The minimum amount that is raised to meet the minimum requirement of the company at the early stage, at the starting stage. So, for the price of any property purchase or to be purchased, these are the minimum requirement points. Number one means the need for the purchasing of asset. Number two, for writing of the preliminary expenses payable to the promoters. Number third, the money borrowed by the company from any other person now needs to repay. This is also the requirement. And for the working capital, day to day need of expenses for the company, and for any other expenditure which is required to the company for conducting smoothly the business. So what do you mean by the minimum subscription? These are the points has been listed here for requirement of minimum money, needs of money to start the company. So now I am moving to the next is the journal entries with regards to the allotment of shares. Now they regarding of the allotment shares, when first is when the money received only the one entry is passed like bank account debit to share application. This is the money receiving amount, but I am moving to the allotment of shares. So this money is adjusted. First is the application money is adjusted to the share capital, like the share applications to the share capitals. And then this money is, if it is refunded, then share applications account debit to bank entry will be passed for refunding of the money. Next is the amount due on allotment. Now share capital account debit to share allotment account debit to share capital account with the face value of allotment. Numbers next. Then the money if exceed received already at the time of application, it will be minimized before to receive. Share applications account debit to allotment account. It is to be minimized if it is received at the time of application. Next is the receipt of the allotment. Then the rest of the money, the balance between the due and already received on application will be received. Then entry will be passed, bank account debit to shares allotment. So these are the entries which are showing you in regards to the allotment of shares. Now, sometimes the combined account is maintained for application and the allotment. Collectively, the amount is called. So, what is the entry? First is the bank to share application and allotment will be passed collectively. Money received on applications at the rate of, that means application and allotment money per share. The second is this amount is to be transferred to the share capital collectively, and then the entry will be passed share application and allotments account debit to the share capital. When the combined account is maintained, the journal entries are recorded. If money refunded, then share applications and allotment account debit to bank. To bank means the money rejected or refunded. Now, last point is on the receipt of the allotment. When the money received, the bank account debit to share applications and allotment. So you may see entries of the application until the allotment it is combined with the both. Thank you.